Hi students, now coming to the next topic in this finite automata, that is the NFA with epsilon. NFA with epsilon. So I already explained that finite automata is of two types. One is without output and another is with output. Finite automata without output and with output. So the without output or DFA, NFA with epsilon. Okay, and with output is Mealy and Moray machine. So far we have seen about the DFA and NFA. Now let's see what is this NFA with epsilon. Okay, so here the epsilon means empty symbol. We call it as empty symbol. So symbol means you know that it is a characters. The characters may be 0, 1 or A to Z or the special characters, whatever it may be. So symbol is a character. So here epsilon means empty symbol. So you already know a regular non-deterministic finite automata is consisting of with 5 tuples. So regular non-deterministic finite automata having 5 tuples like Q, sigma, Q naught, F and transition function, where transition function is equal Q into sigma tends to 2 power Q. So this is regular NFA. Then what is the case with NFA with epsilon? That is epsilon NFA. So this is also with 5 tuples. With 5 tuples like Q, sigma, Q naught, F and transition function, where the only difference is transition function, that is Q into sigma union epsilon determines 2 power Q. So this is the only difference between the transition regular NFA and epsilon moves with NFA. So here that input symbol is union with the empty symbol. Okay. So here it starts with nothing. Epsilon means here it starts with nothing, also goes to a particular state. Let me tell you clearly. Suppose A is there. A determined A on 1 goes to B. Suppose B epsilon goes to C. Means a state. This is a state with input. If the input is epsilon, also goes to multiple states. It can goes to multiple states. But in NFA and DFA, epsilon moves are not there. If epsilon is there, if no symbol is present, no input symbol is present, it doesn't leads to the next state. But with epsilon means it goes to multiple states. Even it is epsilon, it goes to the next state. And here one more condition you have to be note that every state on epsilon goes to itself. So let me explain you clearly the example so that you will understand clearly what this epsilon, NFA with epsilon. So here A is there. Let me go, A on 0 goes to B. Okay. B on C with epsilon moves and 1. So this is a final state. Okay, 1, 0. So this is an NFA. Okay, this is an NFA. So here epsilon is there. This B on seeing nothing, it can goes to C. So this is here what it means. B on seeing nothing means it is not seeing anything. It is not seeing 0 or either 1, but it goes to, if nothing is there also, it goes to the next state. The B can, if it is on 1, it goes to B itself, and if nothing is there also, it can goes to the another state, that is a C. B on C on seeing nothing, it can go to C. Okay, and one note that you have to be remember that every state, whatever the state you have taken, every state A or B or C or D, every state on epsilon goes to itself. So A on epsilon goes to A only, B on epsilon goes to B, and B on epsilon goes to C, because it is NFA. C on epsilon goes to C. D on epsilon goes to D only. Okay, so every state on epsilon goes to itself. Okay, so that is NFA with epsilon. Thank you.